So I want to do a quick video on some Stirrup hobble replacements. Right now I'm using some twine for alfalfa. It's just so that this don't flap out. My other one that I did have ended up just kind of giving out from sweat, water, wear and tear. And so I just kind of wanted to fix that up. I did buy these ones. These are from Weaver. I did take the tag off, but I just kind of wanted to show you a quick fix on how to fix them up. So all I'm gonna do is rip this shit off and put on my new ones, replacements. That did help, but my saddle was just starting to look weird and people were starting to make fun of me. And so all you have to do is kind of like a belt, just wrap it around, put it in that one the inserts, the first hole or something, and I'm just going to turn it around so the buckle can be on the inside, and I won't have a problem with that. The only reason I have that is because sometimes when I'm riding, this will just kind of flap down and my boot kind of gets messed up, and it does get annoying when that's out. So that was my reason to buy the replacements. You can find them up on Amazon. I did find these ones at a Big R. I bought these ones at Big R only because they were cheaper. So that's a fix I wanted to show you, and I'm going to fix that one next. But hope that helped. And if you have any questions, comments, or whatever, feel free to message me and comment below, and I can get back to you as soon as I can.